Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we are going to be designing our funnel for our e-commerce. So this is where we are going to display the products we are selling so that people that are interested in purchasing will be able to purchase our product. So what are the things we'll be needing? The first thing we'll be needing is a domain. So a domain is like an address like www.facebook.com and www.google.com. So which will need an address that whenever they punch on their browser, it will take them to our page where our product is. So we are going to be showing you how you are going to get your own domain such that whenever anyone wants to buy your product, they will be able to find your product. The second thing we'll be needing is the total reach. So the total reach is a sub account of Go Level. So Go Level itself costs 150,000 naira per month, and uh, however, at $, we subsidized the Go Level to 30,000 naira per month. But if you do the Go Level subscription, which is the total reach subscription now, you are going to be opportune to just pay once till the end of this year. So that's what single payment you make will be enough for you till the end of this year. And that's based on the condition that if you decide to purchase the total reach sub account now. So why do you need the total reach sub account? The reason is with total reach sub account, you'll be able to create unlimited number of websites. You'll be able to do different amazing things for your brand. You'll be able to even post automatically on Facebook, on Instagram, all of those posts, it will do them for you automatically. It's a very powerful machine. So it's something you can't just even do without. So, but for our purpose here, we'll be needing it for our website. So whenever we need any website with total reach, we would always be able to get them, even though it's just a single payment. We have access to unlimited number of websites. And the next thing we'll be needing is the content. So what we intend by the content is what are the images that will be on your website? What are the texts that will be on your website? Where will you get them from? So we're going to be getting them from Alibaba and AliExpress. So the products that we choose on Alibaba and AliExpress, we'll take the videos, the images and everything, and we'll put them together to create what will be on our website. And the last thing we're going to be needing is the form. So the essence of the form is for interested individuals who want to actually purchase the product from us to fill their information so that we can contact them and thereafter make the delivery to their desired location. So now that we understand how everything connects, so we're going to get started inshallah. So the first one is the domain. For the domain, there are two ways we get it, but there are numerous ways to get domain, but those two are actually from the cheapest. The first one of them is Namecheap, Namecheap, Namecheap. So Namecheap is an international brand. So if you're going to get a website domain from Namecheap, you will be needing a dollar card. So you can get a cheaper card through the cheaper app or a grey card through the grey app if you'll be needing to use the Namecheap. Locally here in Nigeria, Google Host also offers similar service. So we will be using Google Host for what we want to do. The only downside of Google Host is that Google Host does not quickly propagate. So, and the implication of propagating is that your website might not quickly load. So we have a solution for that. We're going to be using Cloudflare to actually change the DNS to Cloudflare that is more reliable so that our website will propagate on time. So now that we have a little understanding of that, I'm going to actually show you through Namecheap, and thereafter I'm going to show you through Ghost, and we will make our purchase inshallah. So for Namecheap, you just go to namecheap.com. So when you go to namecheap.com, so this is how it looks. So you will be required to actually sign up with them, to have an account with them. But before signing up, you can actually still search for any domain you want to buy. So let's say you wanted to search for e-commerce training today.com. So if you search for it, so your first time of buying with them, they usually give you can see e-commerce training today.com is actually free, as it's actually available, sorry, and it costs $10 per year. However, for your first year, they will give you 50% off, so you pay $5.98 for it for the first year. However, if you use .site, for example, .site would be a lot cheaper. You can see .site, you can see $0.98. Do you understand? Which is way cheaper. Do you understand? So, and that one is I think .pro. So you can try .pro. Okay, You see, dot pro is not as cheap as the 0.98, but this is also fairly cheap compared to the $5 and $10. So that's basically the idea behind using Linktree. So once you are ready, you click on add to cart and they would guide you to actually sign up with them and you create an account. And when you're done creating the account, then you would make your payment. So you just need to top up your card, whether it's the gray card you're using or whether it's the cheaper card, you'll be able to make your payments. For me, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using WooGhost. WooGhost recently changed their name to Go54. So, but if you search for WooGhost, it will still direct you to their website. So either WooGhost or Go50 for anyone. So this is WooGhost. So if you go to WooGhost, so you can see. So this is WooGhost. So you can see that it's Go54 that is here. So they recently changed their name to Go54. So this is where we are going to be making our purchase. So one of the reasons why I chose WooGhost is because the website I want to get is .com.ng, and .com.ng is usually cheaper. So and that's why I'm going to try it out. So let me just input a domain. Let's even still try the e-commerce training.com.ng. So let's see if it's available. So as we can see, it's available and it costs just 2,600 naira. So in your case too, you're going to choose your preferred domain name. So maybe it can be Abib's stores.com.ng or whatever is fine for you or for your brand. You can just choose a domain. One domain is okay for multiple products. So once you have your domain set up, so we'll go to the next. And so for me, I'm going to add to cart. So when you add to cart, you see this continue button. So you click on continue. So I don't have an account with them, so it's likely to prompt me to want to do this. Let's just click on continue. So it's likely to prompt me to create an account with them. So that's what I wanted to say. So okay, so it's telling me that the amount I'm going to pay is 2,795. So and it will require me to actually fill in my details here. So I'm going to proceed with my details. So pay stack is fine for payment. So usually the money they will charge us is going to be more than this because of paid stacks fees. So well, let's see. Okay, let's close this, save this, close this. So they've sent me an email to verify my email address. I'm just going to come here. I'll click on this. Let me see. Is this it? This is login. This is not it. Let's just click on resend because I didn't see it. Let's just go ahead. Let's pay. Doesn't mean. So once it's loaded, it's going to load the total amount we're going to pay. So and we're going to make the payment. Okay, alhamdulillah it has gone. So you can use the card payment. So where you input your card details and you make the payment. So you can see now it's 2,834.69. And initially it was 2,795. So it's just a few nairas though it's just a little increase. But I usually prefer the bank transfer. It just works fine for me. So it's faster and it's easier. So I'm going to make the transfer now. So the bank account is 99020 78 275. Paystack Titan. Then the amount we are sending is 2834.69. So make the payment. Okay, the payment has gone through. Okay, so it automatically detected the payment. So this is why I like it. You can see it's so easy and straightforward. Payment has been made. So let's see. Okay, the email verification has arrived. So we can just click on it to verify. Alhamdulillah. So, okay. Okay, this is the last one. Okay. It's because I clicked on the wrong link. Because that way I made a request a number of times. You can see it's 3 times. So but this is 6 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, and this is 0 minutes ago. So it means this is the most recent one. So I was clicking on the link here. So that's why it was giving me this error. Sorry, we couldn't find the pending matching your pending verification matching your request. So, but when I came to this last one, I clicked on it. You can see it showed that it was verified. So just in case you fall into that issue. So Alhamdulillah. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to now go to our dashboard. So go to your dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So and you click on domains. It's going to take you to your domains. So you can see we have our domain active. So what we want to do is we want to come here and we'll click on manage name servers. So what we want to do is we want to set up our Cloudflare account so that we'll be able to change the DNS to Cloudflare. And just as I've explained before, the reason we want to change it to Cloudflare is because we want our domain to be more reliable and to propagate quicker. So and the only way we can do that is by linking it with Cloudflare and taking it away from Google hosts DNS since it's not so reliable. So you're going to click on use custom name servers. So we're going to copy the name servers from Cloudflare and we're going to post them in here. So let's create our Cloudflare account. So you just go to cloudflare.com and you click on start for free. So when you click on start for free, to ask you to sign up. So I'm going to input my email. So verify your email and sign up. So I'll save the password. So once we're done signing up, we're going to begin the process for. So we click on add a website or a application. So the website we want to add is the website we have here. This is our domain, ecommercetraining.com.ng. So that's what we want to add here. So in your case, it's going to be your own website too, ecommercetraining.com.ng. And I click on continue. So it's going to ask me to choose a plan. So we are not picking any of these plans. We are interested in the free plan. So you click on free and you click on confirm plan. So you click on start quick scan. So it's going to search for the DNS. So continue. So it's going to so these are the DNS we're going to copy into the name server now. So you just click to copy it. So it has copied it. We come here. So instead of this Google's name server, we paste it here to the first one. We do the same thing to the second one, copy it. We come back here, we select it, and we also paste it. So that's really what we want to do. So we click change name servers. So it's going to load. It usually takes a while when you do this. Alhamdulillah. So it said changes saved successfully. So Alhamdulillah, it has changed it. So now what we need to do is click on continue. So usually it takes 24 hours for them to actually update it on Cloudflare servers, but realistically it might be lesser, but it can be more than 24 hours. So all you just need to do is take your time and hold on. So you click on continue to the overview. So you will see that it's going to be pending. So once it's active, they're going to send you a mail. We're going to receive an email on our Gmail or wherever. So you can see we're going to receive an email. So but for now we don't. So they're just telling us that to verify our email. So let's verify it now. So alhamdulillah, we have verified it. So the next thing is that they're just introducing us to Cloudflare. So they'll send that message to you. So that's fine. And this is the one for Google hosts. So they sent it to us to let us know that they've actually activated our domain. So we are done with all of that. So however, if you see, look, we can see that it is pending. So the name server update is still pending. It's not yet active. So they have already told us that it takes 24 hours before. I think they usually write it. You can see registrars take up to 24 hours. So it might take a while. So we'll be checking back every 1 hour. So once it's done, they are going to send us an email here. And when we see the email, we'll know that it's active and we'll be able to proceed. So now that we have done all of that, pending the time we wait, we're going to continue doing all the other things we need to do. So the second thing we need to do is our total reach. So just as I've explained, the total reach is a complete package that you would need for all your needs. So whether it's for your automated post on social media, it does it. Whether you want to do your agency or you want to be doing different types of automation, email automation, and all of that, you can use your total reach for it, and you can also use it to create numerous websites. Numerous websites. So it's a really very powerful software. It's used both locally and internationally. In fact, it's one of the major softwares a lot of big companies use internationally. So, and through Allow Dollars, you too can actually use it with as low as 30,000 naira per month. But I've explained, just as I've explained earlier, that if you take action now, you can actually just make one single payment for 1 month and it would allow you to use it for the whole year. That no matter what time you make the payment, it will allow you to use it for the rest of the year. So grab the opportunity while it lasts. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blesses our efforts. So we're going to now go to our mail. So when you register for the allowed dollars total reach, you're going to receive a mail similar to this one. So that is asking you to activate your account from allowed dollars. So it's going to, if you click on it, this is what you will see. So what you need to do is just click here to log in. So it will ask you to set up your password to load it again. So you can see it has come up. So in my case, I'm going to set up my password. So I'll input the password and I'll click on change. So save it, continue to log in. So I'll click on sign in. So it's going to want to send me a code to verify. I'll click on send security code. So if I check my inbox, I should receive it. Okay, so this is the code. So I'll copy it, copy the code, and I'll paste it here. So once it verifies it, it's going to log me in. So now that we have that, the second thing we now want to do is we want to design our website because that's the essence of all of this. So how do we design it? So Allow Dollars has designed, we already have some templates that we have designed for you that you can just use. So all you just need to do is paste the link of the template and you're good to go. The link again, and it's going to now show us an interface to copy it. So you can see it's saying that should you copy this, you say add to funnel. So you rename it wherever you want to rename it. So in my case, I want to call it smartwatch. So you name it wherever you like to name the website. So I can just say smartwatch website. So I am going to choose your location. The location is your total reach account. So the total reach account I registered for is e-commerce one. So in your case too, you're going to have your e-commerce, you're going to have your total reach account to be your name. So you just click on it and you select it and you click on clone funnel. So once you clone it, so the whole of that website is going to just come into my own GUI level. So you can see it's smartwatch website. So it's already in my GUI level. So if I were to click on it, you will see that this is the first page and this is the thank you page after they've ordered. So what we need to do is we need to edit it. So edit in new tab. So our website is ready. So you can see. So this is our website. So it's for a smartwatch. So in your case, whatever product you want to sell, all you just need to do is just replace it with, for example, this is a video. So you can replace it with a video too. This is an image, you can replace it with an image. This is also an image. You just need to replace them with an image, that's all. So you can leave the others as is, but just replace all of the images with what is appropriate. So you can leave this 1 year guarantee too, and this fast delivery. So you can leave this. Then here you're going to change the price for your product. And this is where we're going to put the form. So I'm going to explain all about the form too. So, but basically that's the idea. You're going to change the image. So the question is, where do you get the image? I've answered that question before too. You're going to get the images and the videos from Alibaba. So if I come here and I go to alibaba.com. So let's say I wanted to sell smartwatch. And I search for smartwatch. I'm just going to pick a smartwatch at random. So just something. Let's say this is the smartwatch I'm selling. So there are a number of images. So like this product, for example, it's a smartwatch with earbuds. So it looks like so. You can see these are the earbuds. So these are the things you just look out for. So what we want to do is we want to download all the images for the product. So and to do that, we just search for Ali Save Chrome extension. You can see it. So with the Ali Save Chrome extension, it's just going to download all the images for us easily. So you click on add to Chrome. Once it's downloading, you add it to Chrome, add extension. So once you add it to the Chrome, and okay, it will download all the images conveniently for us. So we'll just need to refresh this page once more so that it will work. You can see. So you can just tell it to download all images. Do you understand? To download all images. So it's going to download every single image on the page for you. Still loading. So you can see it's downloading it 5 out of 40. So there are 40 images on the page. So 9, 10. So it will download all the images on the page. So that way you have all the images in one place. And when we go back to our website, we're just going to be selecting the ones that are appropriate and we'll replace it. And we are good to go. And once we are done with that, we have our website ready to go. So it's almost done. It's 37. Okay, 40. So it's generating the zip file. As you can see, generating the zip file. So it's already downloaded. So we go to the file location and we extract it. Extract all. So if you open it now, you're going to see everything. So these are the description images. Let me change it. So you can see these are all the description images for the product. So you can see, so this, you can see all of these images. So all of these images are the ones we can use for the product. Do you understand? All of these nice images. So and this is just the description. So if you go back again, the main images, those are the actual images that we saw. You can see it. These are all the main images. If you go back again, the variant images, you can see the different variants images. So we have all the images we need now. So we can now go back to our website and we can continue our website design. So it can be 2-in-1 smartwatch, 2-in-1 smartwatch, earbuds plus smartwatch. Or you can just put it here, earbuds plus smartwatch. So for this one, we can just write the color. So bear in mind that we are going to just choose one variant, one color variant. Usually people always opt for black versions of watches from experience. People usually opt for black than the white or silver like color. So and that's what I would be going with now. So for this product, we don't have any video for it, so I don't need this video. So I'll just start with this image. So I'll delete this. So for this image, I'm going to replace it. I'll come to this right side. I'll click on this to replace it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the opportunity to upload all the images. So I'll click on this plus to upload. So I'll click upload file. So instead of uploading one file, let me go to downloads, all images. So I'll select everything and I'll click on open. I'll go back again, upload file. I'll come back here, description images. I'll select everything and I'll upload it. I'll come back again, upload file. I'll Go back again. I'll go back to variant images and I'll click on open. So that way I would have uploaded all the images that I'll ever need. So and I'll wait for all the images to get uploaded. So everything has uploaded. You can see all the 40 have been uploaded. So we are good to go with that. So we are going to start selecting the images. So because of what we talked about, the fact that it's two in one, we would want the first thing that would show to be something that displays the fact that it's that two in one. That's the fact that it has the earbuds, and so this says that very well too. This also displays it. So we just select anyone that does the job. So this also does the job too. It displays it. So so we can pick any of them and move on. So I'm just going to pick this. Okay, you can see that's uploaded it. Okay, so this is fine. You can see Bluetooth Expert plus smartwatch. So it says exactly what we want. So this is also another place we're going to input. We're going to change the image to. So we'll come again and we select it here. So it's going to be another image that talks about the feature. So it can be this. This looks fine. So you can see. So it's really just changing images. You're repeating the same thing. You're going to come here again, select another one. So this is similar. You can just select this one. You can select this one. This is fine. So this is another feature. So basically we're just changing the images to images of the product that we want to sell. So we have ample of the product. So bear in mind, I'm trying to choose black because that's the one I intend to sell. So just as we said, for e-commerce, we don't choose multiple products, as in we don't choose multiple variants. So rather, we just go for one variant of the product. So and usually black usually works best from experience. So just trying to look for others. So this one shows variants. We're going on this. So you can see. So we are just so this is the feature of the product. So for this feature of the product, we are going to go back here, and it's usually under the description of the product. So this is it. This one, that aspect. Let me close this. So it's not going to be downloaded. You have to screenshot it yourself. So you can see these are the features of the product. So you screenshot this aspect by yourself. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to screenshot it. So this is it. So the shortcut is Windows Shift S. Windows Shift S. So I've screenshotted it. So I'll go back here and I'm going to upload it. So we've not uploaded it before. So we're going to upload it again. So it's fairly simple. So for any product you want to sell, all you just need to do is go to the Alibaba page. The same thing if you go to AliExpress, the process is still the same. You download all the images and you just repurpose them, you upload them on your website. And with that, you're going to be good to go. So it's done. So we have the product description here already. So this is generic, this will work fine, this will work fine. So, and we will change the cost to whatever is fine by us. So maybe in your case, it might be 45,000. But the idea basically for the cost is that you have to give yourself a profit margin of 10,000 after all expenses. So let's say this product here is what I chose and I wanted to sell. This product costs $18. Let's say approximately $19. And the shipping costs, let's say around $1. So that's around $20. So if you say $20 for each of the products, and dollar now is say 1,600. So we are looking at 32,000 naira for the landing cost of this product now. So this product is 32,000 for landing cost. So you're going to also add the cost for delivery and ads. So another extra 10,000 naira for that. And then another extra 10,000 naira for you. So that's like 20,000 naira extra. So we are looking at around 52. So you can call the product 55,000 naira. So that's how you arrive at the amount you're going to charge. So we can come here and we say, okay, the product is 55,000 naira. And so that ordinarily they should purchase it for maybe 80,000 naira. So that's it. So when you're doing your costing, you have to consider the cost for your delivery and also the cost for your own profit. So the minimum usually set is 10,000 naira. So, but with 20,000 naira extra in addition to your landing cost, you should be good to go. So, and that's how we arrived at the 55,000 naira that we choose here. So now that we have that done, the last thing we need to do is our forms. So for the forms, we are going to duplicate this page, duplicate it. So before I forget, make sure you press save. If you don't save, all what we have done here is going to be lost. Every single thing will be lost. So and we don't want that to happen. So we should save it. So when you save it, it's when you save it that it's now going to. So and if you click on preview, you'll see that it has. You can see. So this is it. You can see this is our website. You can see this is our website. You can see. So the last thing is the form. So after duplicating this, what we want to do is we'll go back and then we'll go to form to build our form. So come to form and click on builder. So we're already in our form. So you click on add form, start from scratch. So for the form, what we need are the first name, last name. We need the WhatsApp number and their address. So we don't really need this email, so we can take it off. So we need their phone number, but we also need their WhatsApp number and their address. So we're going to input their address and then we'll put their WhatsApp number. So to input other fields, we're just going to come to plus here and we'll search for their address. So this is address. So for the address, what we want to input is state, and we want to input city, and we're also going to input address. So then the last thing we want to input is their phone number, which is their WhatsApp phone number. So for the WhatsApp phone number, we're going to have to use custom field because there's no WhatsApp phone number in the custom field. So we're going to add a custom field to it, and it's a phone number too. So we're going to click on next. So the field's name is going to be WhatsApp. Sorry about that. WhatsApp phone number. So I'll copy that and I'll put it in the field placeholder, and the group is going to be contact, and that's all. So click on save. So if you come back here, you see that there's WhatsApp phone number there. So sometimes it might take a while, but it's going to pop up. So I'll just bring in the WhatsApp phone number there. So let's take this away, put this up. So the last thing is the button. So for the button, what we want to do is want to input order now. So and that's all. So we rename our form. So we can rename our form to be smartwatch order. Smartwatch order form. So and then we save it. So with this, we have our form ready. Sorry. So delete all of this. Delete all of this. So this is good. So the placeholder will be WhatsApp number too. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So let me save it. So it's done saving. So we'll go back to our website and we click on this form. So we are going to select the name of the form. So the form's name is smartwatch order form. So you select it. Let's close this. So sometimes it takes a while to load, but it will load the time. So this is it. You can see, and that's all. So we save it, and with that we have our website ready. The next thing we need to do is the thank you page. For the thank you page, we will need to change the image there too. So if you click here, you can move to the thank you page. So when we get to the thank you page, what you need to do. So when you get to the thank you page, what we want to do is we want to change the image here too. So we'll just pick an image of the product too. So you just input word.me forward slash your phone number. So you're not going to be adding a zero to your phone number. So if your number is 7012345678, for example, so whenever they click this button, they're going to just chat you up. So that's all about that. And don't forget to also save. So with that, we have our website ready, and we also have our form ready and everything we need to run our website. So the next thing we should do is that we should check if our funnel is working properly. So we're going to more or less test it out. So to test it out, what we're going to do is we're just going to click on this eye icon. So this is it. So we're just going to go through it to see, to ensure that everything is the way we want it. So, and we're also going to fill the form to ensure that everything is okay. So we click on order now. Oh, Alhamdulillah, you can see that it has taken us to the thank you page. And with this, I can contact on WhatsApp. So it's going to say continue to chat. So everything is working as expected. So this is the number I inputted there then. So in your case, it's going to be your phone number that will be here. And if I click continue to chat, I'll be able to chat with the person. In your case, they'll be able to chat with you. So Alhamdulillah, this is properly set up. You know, when we're doing the Cloudflare, we mentioned that it was not yet active. So now we can see that Cloudflare sent us the mail to tell us that our Cloudflare is active. So Alhamdulillah. So we're going to go back to Cloudflare to confirm that. So we just go to Cloudflare. Go to websites. Close this. So e-commerce training.com.ng is active. So this is active, Alhamdulillah. So now that it's active, the next thing we need to do is to link it with our go-live level, such that whenever they click on e-commerce training.com.ng, they are going to see our website. So how do we do that? So we're going to go to go-live level once again. So this time we're going to be going to settings, and we're going to go to domains. So we'll click on add. So this our domain is going to be e-commerce training.com.ng. Continue. It's going to do it automatically once we are signed into our Cloudflare, and we're also signed into our Go11 on the same account. It's just going to do everything for us automatically. All you just need to do is authorize it. Authorize. So Alhamdulillah, we have successfully linked it. So it's going to ask us which of our websites do we want it to be connected to, and we're going to connect it to our smartwatch website. And we're going to come here, and our 442 should be our smartwatch website, and you can link the domain. And it means we have linked the domain to our smartwatch website, and that way everything is going to be good to go. So we're going to test if it's working. So it's saying that successfully added it. So if we come to e-commerce training.com.ng, let's see if it's loading. Alhamdulillah, you can see it's loading. It's loading. Alhamdulillah, our website is up and running. Alhamdulillah, you too can do the same thing. Get your domain, get your total reach, get your content from Alibaba or AliExpress, and connect your domain to your website. So now we've gotten our domain, we have our total reach, and we have our content for our website, and we have our form ready. So with this, we have our website ready for testing. And what we're going to do after that is to set up our ads and our pixels and start running ads to see if our product is going to be a good one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.